I walk through seasons I don't understand, holding the pieces I don't have planned. The wind keeps whispering, let it go, but I'm still learning what I should know. Every step feels like letting fall, yet somehow you're still through it all. Even when the colors fade away, I hear you calling me to stay. In the breaking, in the change, you remain, you remain. Through the sorrow, through the rain, you remain, you remain.